How to add your null card to Apple Wallet. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact steps. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version and that NFC is enabled. Step 2. Open the Apple Wallet app on your phone. Step 3. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Step 4. Select Transit Card or Other Card depending on your version. Step 5. Search for null card in the list of available transit cards. Step 6. Tap on null card and then follow the prompts to either transfer your physical card or create a digital version. Step 7. If required, verify the card via SMS or email linked to your RTA account. Step 8. Once added, you will see the null card in your Apple Wallet and ready to tap and go travel in Dubai. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.